Welcome back. Continuing the news. In this evening's health report, one public health expert is cautioning Jamaicans about contracting the dengue virus. Shamela Pullen tells us more.
Dengue is a viral infection that is quite common in Jamaica. In recent times, the Ministry of Health issued an alert in the wake of an increase in cases. Public health specialist Professor Winston Davidson says the call is not something to take lightly.
This virus infects a mosquito, and it is a mosquito that flies around and takes a blood meal. In other words, the female mosquito bites the host, and then what it does is that it sucks the blood from the host. And in so doing, it exchanges the virus in the host. And so therefore, that is how you get the dengue virus infection.
Symptoms usually include nausea, vomiting, rash, and aches and pains. Professor Davidson says the Aedes aegypti mosquitoes continue to change breeding sites, which is even more worrying.
That as the temperature increases as a result of climate change, more and more mosquitoes seem to be breeding at higher levels in the country, in the hillsides. And so therefore, we have a situation where the breeding sites of the mosquitoes are at a much higher level. And as a result, we have more people getting exposed to the mosquito bite.
And in order to control the spread of the virus, this reminder.
That if we know where the mosquitoes are breeding, then we can interrupt the breeding sites, kill the mosquitoes at the breeding sites, get rid of the conditions leading up to the production of the eggs and the larvae by making sure that they have the small containers in garbage or elsewhere around the house, that we do something about that.
With your health report, I'm Shamela Pullen, wishing you good health.